Are you new to the trades? Do you struggle every day with carrying your levels to the job site? Stu here with CCO Construction Incorporated, and do I have something special for y'all today? I give you the Level Sling 1000. If you're like me and you struggle with carrying your levels on and off the job site every day, this is the tool for you. You can see with my patent pending sling here, the ability to wear your level like a backpack, making it easily convenient to walk up to the job site, hands-free, coffee in one hand, cell phone in the other, ready to go do a hard day's work. All right, so as a special help to all the young apprentices out there, today I would like to show you how to make the Level Sling 1000. And I assure you guys, if you go home and do some braiding this weekend, you come to the job site Monday, you won't be asked to go get the board stretcher. So essentially what you're making here is a sling with 2 loops that you can wear like a backpack and carry your level around the job site. I gotta get rid of these pouches here, and then we'll start. Let's just get rid of these here real quick. Yup. Get rid of that, we don't need that. We'll do this like the kids do on the Facebooks there. That's how they do that there, you know, they just, yeah. I don't know why you just can't set them down, but that's what the kids are doing nowadays. All right, so to start out with, we just need a couple things, real simple things. You can probably find them on the job site. We just need 3 lengths of rope, about 12 foot long will do. Just this rope right here. Okay, very easy. You know, you can probably make this thing on your lunch hour if you're not afraid that if your coworkers see you, they'll lock you in the blue house for braiding. So anyway, 12 feet of rope here, 3 pieces. You're gonna need some slings here. Now these are for other things, but you can use them definitely as for the level sling, right? Okay, really simple. I want to show you the usage here of the level sling here. It's just so easy. You're just going to take your 3 pieces of rope and you're just going to slide your rope in there, right like that. Just so easy. Like I said, first year apprentice be able to do this, no problem, right? Slide it down there, find halfway. Yep. Super easy. Now I want to show you the application for this. Like I said, this is the level sling, right? And you can use it for so many applications. Now it doesn't work so good with your smaller levels, you know, but it works okay. You can definitely use them for your smaller levels. Where it really helps is whenever you start getting up to your bigger levels here. You know, especially if you're starting to use these newfangled European style levels. These European style levels definitely is where it really shines. You know, and then whenever you move up to the Canadian style levels, oh yeah, this is really where she shines, is with these nice big long Canadian levels. So anyway, nice sling for the level holder. Oh yeah. All right, super simple here. We'll get right back to the making of the thing. Yep, you're just gonna take and just center up your rope there. You look at that. I did 2 different colors just so you know, just so my boss would like me a little better. And then you're just gonna braid it into 2 different separate pieces. Yeah, I'm shooting for about that 40-inch mark. Super easy. Just braid it right down. You can probably ask the oldest guy on the job. He'll know how to braid. He won't mind you asking at all. Let me just move my European levels out of the way here. Yeah, definitely. Don't want the big European level here to get in the way of things. Oh yeah. Yep, there we go. Okay. All right, yeah, just like I said, go ask the oldest guy on the job, and he'll tell you how to move my small level there. Okay, and he'll tell you how to braid. It's super easy. All right, whenever you get down to 40 inches, stop. Don't go any further. Don't go any further. 40 inches. For all you new apprentices out there, see that number right there? I'm showing you that one. That's the one. That's the one right there. Stop. And then do it again. All right, now that you've finished your 2 braids and you've got them both down to the 40-inch mark, now you're gonna have to put your second swivel on there. Now to do this, you're probably gonna need some help. You're gonna have to back braid. I know this seems like an impossible feat to back braid, so you're probably gonna go wanna talk to the superintendent on the job. He may know, but it's pretty kept secret, so you may want to ask him after hours. You know, you probably didn't show up till 9 o'clock anyway, so it's okay, you can stay a little late. Go ask your superintendent how to back braid. If he doesn't tell you, I'll show you here real quick. It's super easy, super easy. All right, so in order to finish this, you're gonna back braid. You're gonna take your sling and you're going to run it through all 3 lengths of rope. Now, hence the term back braid. All you're gonna do is just follow whatever rope came through. You're gonna follow it back up through itself. So we'll start right here. You'll see with the orange one, super easy. Look, we're gonna roll it up and over. We're gonna just go right back in and just follow the braid right back up. All you're doing is just chasing the braid that you already made right back up. We're gonna go over top. We're gonna follow that orange, roll it over, and we're gonna open that braid back up a little bit, poke it through there. See what we're doing? We're just following the braid right back up with the exact same rope. Very, very easy. First year apprentices can do this. Open that braid back up. Push that braid back up through. There you go. You've back braided your first time. You can now graduate and say you've learned a new skill. All right, and there you have it. Your very own level sling. I'm telling you, it works great. You just take your level sling and just attach it there to the top of your European level, and you'll be able to carry it all over the job site. You do this right, you're gonna show up the following Monday and all your coworkers are gonna be sitting around braiding on the job site. Just look at this. Look at this. It's just so cool. You just take your level sling and you carry your level. Just so nice. Level sling. So one final use for the Level Sling 1000, you know, we here at CCO Construction Incorporated, we don't like items with just one use. We want you to have an item with multiple uses. Due to the lumber prices, lumber thievery has just gone sky high. So with the Level Sling 1000, you're now able to attach it to your board. I mean, this board's worth like $4,000, and you have your hands free to walk through the job site and defend yourself. It's very important. The Level Sling 1000. Woo. Fix that. Get a little drafty. All right, so obviously this video is kind of a spoof on my last video. Many of you may or may not know my last video on the slings. They demonetized that video within 24 hours. Now I don't know how this is going to affect me going into this season. I've been trying trying to upload videos that I know are going to do good, you know, of late, but as season progresses, I'm just not sure how things are going to work. We're just going to try and just hopefully make the best of it. Anyway, if you guys are interested in this type of sling, particularly the Level Sling 1000, go check out the video that I was talking about. I'll leave it pinned there in the comments. You guys go check it out. I'm actually doing a giveaway. If ever I can get you guys to hit that like button, I'm actually doing a giveaway for this exact sling right here. You can check it out. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know. We'll see what comes of the next few months anyway. Go YouTube. Man, I never realized I had so many levels.